Welcome to my YouTube channel, Jugaad King 2. Hello friends, in this video we see that water motor controller from a home system. This is a system. So let's start. This is our system. This wire is attached to the main and another wire attached to the bulb, and from its top we connect three wires, first red, second yellow and third blue. On the top we place red wire and in medium we place yellow wire and in last we place blue wire. Let's see. First, blue wire is of main and yellow wire reacts when the water comes below the yellow wire, and red wire reacts when the water level becomes full. So let's see practical and see how it's work. So first, I on main switch means our motor is start. Imagine bulb is your motor. I take a glass. Imagine that this glass is a tank. I place a three wires into the glass. According to the glass, I cut the wire. But in your tank, you cut the wire long, medium and short. I take a pipe. Imagine that it is your tap pipe. I fill the water in the glass. When the water comes at red mark, red wire, the bulb doesn't glow, means our motor is stopped. You see in the video that the bulb does not glow. So when the water level comes down near the yellow wire, below yellow wire, then our motor is start, means that bulb is start. This is start, means our motor is start. You see in the video that the water does not go down completely and the tank, means this jar, does not empty. I show again. This water comes up, then red wire touch the motor off, stop means, and again when a water comes down near the yellow wire, means below the yellow wire, our motor again start, means the bulb start. You see in the video that the bulb start and our motor again giving water to the tank. So why this? Our tank does not empty, and if you like this system, so please contact to undersign which is shown on my video.